We've made it. Question number 4, what does your practice need now and in the future? Seems repetitive, but it really isn't. Actually, this is where we can do our best work. This is where you can ask the paramount question. What do you want? What you want now, what you will want tomorrow, and what you will always want for your team, for your practice, luckily for me, is the same thing. You want computers that work, clean desks without wires everywhere. You want a clean server room with redundant rack power, a secondary internet circuit with enough UPSs to handle any emergency. You want snappy experiences. You want your VPN to work and work fast. You want your network to be fast. You want the wireless network at your office to have enough coverage and throughput for all of your devices and apps. You want security and privacy. You want to know with certainty that you will not be hacked through your new printer. You want to have a plan in case you really are ever compromised so that the damage isn't fatal to your business. And you also want to know, for example, that the app that you picked for carbon life cycle assessment was the right one. 4. What you really want is a digital environment which facilitates great design. You want a technology toolbox which gets out of the way and inspires you to do your best work. And here's the thing, you will want those things now and in the future because that's what we all want. That's what we all need. Those great tools, you will always need those great tools to do your job. That's why we spend all the money. So, how do you create a great environment now and in the future? How do we remove this stress? By doing our homework. Grab 4 pieces of paper. Write out at the top of each sheet our 4 questions. Go back to the videos if you need to. At the top of sheet 1, what would you like to do? On sheet 2, what should you do? Sheet 3, what can your budget afford? And on sheet 4, what does your practice need now and in the future? Then, start filling out page 1 and page 4. On page 1, we know CIS will be item number 1. On page 3, let's write down that big budget number, whatever 3% is for you. On page 4, imagine what it would be like if technology was your ally. What statements would ring true? Write them down. How would technology make your design life better if it worked every hour of the day? How would your business run if everything was secure every second of the day? And what if that toolbox wasn't costing you a fortune every year? Computer, share with the world.